Cracked and broken concrete, stone, and masonry is a common problem for homeowners and contractors. Advanced Repair Technologies' FlexTech HV Epoxy has always been a great repair solution for these problems. It also has applications in anchoring steel into concrete and countless other new concrete or concrete and masonry repair applications. Due to the success of our 401 FlexTech in concrete repair, Advanced Repair Technology is proud to introduce our new gray-tinted 704 Flexible Concrete Repair Compound. We've developed our 704 Flexible Concrete Repair to work specifically with stone, masonry, and concrete. ART 704 Concrete Repair still has outstanding bonding strength, 14,000 psi compression strength, 7,500 psi tensile strength, and 16,500 psi flexural strength, all with the look of concrete and masonry. Application for our concrete repair compound is the same as with our conventional FlexTech epoxy. Use it in conjunction with our pneumatic gun and static mixing nozzle, and ART 704 Concrete Repair is the perfect solution for your cracked concrete, stone, or masonry. Keep an eye on our Facebook page and YouTube channel for an in-depth look at concrete repair using our all-new ART 704 Flexible Concrete Repair Compound. Advanced Repair Technology, because the greenest building is the one that's already built.